Oh, what a sad day this is. Got an update here at the Hadden road grade crossing on the BNSF Chillicothe Sub west of Mazon, Illinois. If you know this crossing, you know that it has a Safetran Type 1 e-bell. Well, had. Unfortunately now it is a GS Type 3 e-bell. Such a sad sight to see. This was a favorite crossing of mine from the late 2000s through the 20-teens. Gotten a lot of videos of this crossing over the years, so I'm glad I got the Safetran Type 1 recorded as much as I did. Just had an eastbound go by, so I did confirm it's a Type 3. Yep, there you go there. So now the only non-GS bells left on this line are Murphy Road in Coal City and a private crossing near Wilburn. Both of them have Safetran Type 3s. The one at Murphy Road is high tone. I'm not sure what the private one is, because can't really get up close to it, unfortunately. But aside from that, the crossing's still pretty much the same as it was back in 2020 when they installed the new US&S mechanisms here. Surprisingly, still has the old relay bungalow here. BNSF has been working on replacing all the old Santa Fe era relay cases and bungalows on this line over the last few years, so kind of surprising that this one's still here. But I'm sure at some point in the 2020s they'll replace this one too. Maybe they'll replace the signals too. Don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. I mean, having US&S mechanisms might not necessarily save this crossing. It didn't for a lot of the ones in Kewanee, but we'll have to wait and see on that. But anyways, this has been the update to Hadden Road. Rest in peace, Safetran Type 1.